Welcome to the Single Information Platform, your central hub for everything related to the EU AI Act. Here, you will find guidance on navigating and applying the AI Act, FAQs and resources on compliance and the implementation of the AI Act, including materials from member states, all in one place. Let's start by exploring the Compliance Checker, a tool designed to help you understand whether your organization is subject to legal obligations under the AI Act and what steps you need to take to comply. Let us imagine the future for the city of Brussels, where traffic has been significantly reduced, all thanks to cutting-edge AI technology developed by an Italian SME. The AI system is designed to enhance traffic light operations by analyzing real-time traffic data. This AI system adapts to current conditions, optimizing the flow of vehicles across the city. Thanks to the Compliance Checker, the Italian SME can understand its obligations under the AI Act. Let's see how the Compliance Checker works in practice. Companies can instantly gain clarity on their responsibilities and ensure their innovation contributes to Europe's trustworthy AI future. Next, we have the AI Act Service Desk, which allows you to submit questions about the AI Act in any official EU language directly to the AI Office. To submit a request, you'll need to sign in with your EU login details or create an account. Complete the form and send your question. We'll get back to you by email in just a matter of days. Another tool, the AI Act Explorer, is designed to help you browse through different chapters, annexes, and recitals of the AI Act in an intuitive way. Find anything you need to know about the regulation in just a few clicks.